I'm sure you have experienced sightseeing in the concrete jungle, fighting your way through the city traffic. Try exploring Bangkok by water, for it is one of the best ways to experience the city's rich heritage, the lively markets, and illuminated skyline. For a different kind of adventure, ride a Longtail boat through Thailand's most famous outdoor floating market. The Dam Nun Sanduak Floating Market is located 1.5 hours away from Bangkok. After your excursion through the market, step inside a $1.5 million luxury mega mall named Icon Siam with an indoor floating market. Then cruise down the Chao Phraya River in the evening for a Thai buffet, live music, and dancing. For centuries, Thailand's floating markets have been more than just points of sale. They are living institutions of water commerce, social life, and local tradition. There are about 3 of them in the Bangkok area. We visited the Dam Nun Sanduak floating market. A good time to visit is between 7 to 10 a.m. in the morning to avoid the crowd and the hot weather. From the canals that predated many modern roads to the boats loaded with fruits, vegetables, spices, flowers, fish, and handmade goods, floating markets like the Dam Nun Sanduak are economic hubs and reflects cultural identity of Thailand. Before the roads were built in Thailand, especially in the Central Plains and the Delta regions, rivers and canals were the primary channels of movement of goods, people, and ideas. Communities are built along waterways, houses on stilts, orchards, farms, and villages connected by boat rather than by foot or wheel. Vendors could bring goods by boat, trade with neighboring boat vendors, or with those on land, and communities could access markets even where overland travel was difficult, especially during the monsoon season. Touring this place is a unique way to immerse yourself in a cultural experience. You are stepping back in time. How communities traditionally lived, traded, and traveled before modern roads were built along waterways. It's actually a food and culinary adventure travel. Food vendors do their cooking right on their tiny boats over portable stoves. You can have noodle soups, grilled seafood skewers, pad thai, sticky rice with mango, as well as a variety of fresh fruits. Sometimes you'll run into a little traffic jam, but these operators know how to go with the flow. We have a traffic jam here. This guy over here trying to sneak in between It's tight squeeze. You will notice that some boats are powered with big engines and they are very loud. However, if you want a quieter boat, make sure you get the paddle boat kind. This one's got no motor. Notice how some vendor will pull you closer to them if your boat gets close to their store. This one has a hook to pull you in. Pad Thai, 70 baht only. Ooh. Bags, elephant bags. When the original floating market started in the 19th century, they were surrounded by a dense concentration of residential houses. Houses were traditionally made of teak wood built on stilts to withstand flooding or constructed as floating raft houses. There are some houses left at the outskirts. They are mostly a cultural hub to preserve that historic way of life. In the evening, head on to Icon Siam, which is located on the banks of the Chao Phraya River. It is known for its luxury and global retail stores such as Gucci, Cartier, Louis Vuitton, and Rolex. There is also an indoor floating market on the first floor. It has the longest water fountain show in Southeast Asia, putting on a display of water with music and lights. Then get in line to purchase your tickets for the river dinner cruise. They provide an elegant, peaceful dinner on the water. The food is a multi-course Thai cuisine with live music, performances, and dancing. The cost varies from $25 to $45 for a standard dinner, $40 to $55 for premium, and $110 to $135 for luxury. To get the best price, of course, book online with Klook or Viator. You will go under 3 major bridges, and they are lit up like a Christmas tree, making a real photographic backdrop. You will also have an unobstructed view of the skyline, where you will pass by iconic landmarks such as the Wat Arun Temple and the Grand Palace. For entertainment, they have local folk dance, a cabaret show, and a band with upbeat music that you can dance to. I hope this video has given you some ideas of places to explore and to enrich your lives. Stay tuned for more Thailand adventures in the next coming days. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to click the subscription button and comment below. For now, so long.